The sex and bullets cake will.
Yo, legends are made. Yeah, Mr. Falcon, I ride it. Joking. You color didn't get me this one, Gaza. Legends are made. It's the age of machines, algorithms that think. AI in the game, keeping systems in sync. It's a guardian angel scanning the skies, catching those threats before they rise. From anomaly detection to real-time scans, stopping malware, breaking evil plans. Neural nets learning, adapting the game. In the war on hacks, AI's the name, but it's not all good. There's a darker turn when AI's in the hands of those who burn. Cybercriminals coding with malicious intent, creating deepfakes and chaos they've sent. AI in the fight on both sides of the field. A weapon of power, a digital shield. From hackers to heroes, it's a dual-edged blade. In the world of tech, legends are made. It predicts the breach like a crystal ball. Machine learning patterns, answering the call. Training on data, it sees every glitch. Building defenses without a hitch. But yo, the black hats flip the game. AI for phishing, no shame in their name. Trojan emails that craft so clean. Stealing your secrets behind the screen. It's a race against time, who learns the most. Hackers are defenders, who's the real ghost? From quantum threats to deepfake scams, AI's a spark that lights up the plans. AI in the fight, on both sides of the field. A weapon of power, a digital shield. From hackers to heroes, it's a dual-edged blade. In the world of tech, legends are made. Training models deep into the night. AI's coding the future for the wrong or the right. From securing nations to identity theft, AI's in the battle, it's the greatest test. Ethics in tech, where do we stand? Will AI destroy or protect this land? We build, we break, the cycle's in play. In the world of cybersecurity, we pave the way. AI's the revolution, the key to the vault. A hero and a villain, it's nobody's fault. In this cyber war zone, the stakes are high. With AI in the fight, we aim for the sky.